Hello children, how are you? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching my video. Okay, in today's class, as we were doing in the last class, the exercises, the back exercises of chapter 2. So we are going to follow the next exercises, and we will see if we'll get time to start chapter 3, and we are going to do the comprehension passage today itself, right? So let's move towards our exercises. So take out page number, it is on page 33. Page 33 here, right? So as we have already done this description part in the last video, so we were on question number 5, right? We were on question number 5. Mettez les adjectifs à la blanc convenable, right? So you have given some adjectives in the columns, right? You need to put these adjectives either before or after the underline, the red colored word. You need to put it either before or after, and you need to accord it as well. Means if it is feminine, then make the adjective feminine. If it is masculine, then keep it masculine. If it's plural as well, then go for the plural option as well. Then we need to see is there only one adjective or more than one. If they are more than one, then again you need to decide which will come where, either before or after, right? So question number 5, part A. Elle choisit une jupe rose, right? So you have a word in red is jupe, means skirt. She is choosing a red skirt, right? So red is color. Colors always comes after the noun, so that will become jupe rose. It is already ending with E, so we are not supposed to change anything. So it is already in feminine form. So we have to write jupe red or jupe rose in the pink skirt. That would be the right answer. You need to write the full sentence. You have given one long blank here. You need to write the whole sentence here. One I'm writing. So A part is Elle choisit. You just need to copy the sentence in jupe rose. As it's a color, you are going to put it at the end. It's singular, so we are not going to put S anywhere, right? So then the second one is c'est un appartement beau. This is a beautiful apartment. So apartment is in red color, so we need to decide. Beau is like beautiful. Beauty comes before, right? And as it is masculine and starting with the vowel, so the adjective would be BEL. We have done this under the rules of adjectives. So let us say c'est un appartement. C'est un appartement. C'est un. As beauty comes always before, so c'est un bel appartement, BEL only, as it is masculine and starting with the vowel, right? C'est un bel appartement. This is a beautiful apartment. Then C part is il y a des crayons. Il y a des crayons. Noir. So noir is a color, and crayon is plural and masculine. So you have to make it masculine plural. What is the masculine plural of noir? That is, we are going to put S only. It is already in masculine form. So il a des crayons noirs. Noirs, right? Then D part. Ce sont des réponses vraies. Ce sont des réponses vraies. This again comes under the goodness, which always comes before the noun. So ce sont des, as it is a plural, we have to make it plural again. And it is coming before the noun. So there is one more rule that we have already done. If an adjective is coming before the noun and it is plural, then des will become de only. Ce sont des vraies réponses. Right? This rule we have already done. Ce sont des vraies réponses. Right? So now come to the F part. La fille est intelligente. La fille est intelligente. The girl is intelligent. Petit Indien means she is small and Indian. So size comes before and nationality comes after. So your answer would be la petite fille. So your word which is in color red is fille. So la petite. You have to make it feminine. So we are putting e at the end. La petite fille and the n. You have to make it feminine again. It will become double n-e. La petite fille and the n. A intelligent. Intelligent. Right? Now, the last F part. No, one more is there. I guess I have skipped one of them. No? Okay. It was part F. It is part F. So now you have the G part. C'est une fleur beau jaune. So beauty comes before and color comes after the noun. So your answer would be c'est un belle fleur, because flower is feminine, so belle fleur jaune, right? Belle fleur jaune. Jaune is already ending with e, so you are not supposed to change it. It's already in feminine form, right? So we are done with first, second, third, A part, B, C, D. E part, I guess I have missed. So E I am writing at the end. That is la table est grande. La table est grande, noir. So you have to put noir according to table. So table is noun. Color always comes after the noun. So la table noire. La table noir will become R-E because it's feminine. Table is feminine. La table noire est grande, is big. So we are through with question number 5. Now come to question number 6. The last one. Conjuguer les adverbes au présent. Les verbes au présent. You have given some verbs like, see, jeter, to throw, no, and parler, to speak, finir, to finish, avoir, to have, apporter is to bring. Now, A part, nous slash le ballon, then Pierre slash sa mère, we are slash the balloon or ball. Pierre is slash his mother. Rita slash son travail. Rita slash her work. Then vous slash une bonne proposition. You slash you have a good opportunity. Then il slash son nom. He slash his second name, right? So first one is nous slash le ballon. We are throwing the balloons, right? So nous jetons. The spellings would be as it's an irregular verb, so we have done this already. Jetons. Then B part, Pierre parle, as it is er ending verb, parle. Then Rita means L. Rita is slash son travail fini, finit. Rules you are already knowing. I don't think I need to repeat. Vous slash une bonne proposition. Vous avez, avoir verb. You have a good opportunity. Then il slash son nom. Il rappelle. Is recalling his name. Second name, right? RAPPELLE. That is appeler, similar to appeler that we have already done, right? So we are finished with this chapter. Question number 7 you can omit as it's a listening exercise and you are not having the CD. So we are through with this chapter and we are going to start chapter 3 in the next class. Till then, do all the exercises in your book only, right? If you're not having book, then go for your fair notebook or any rough notebook, so that whenever you are having your book, whenever you are going to get your book, so that you should copy your answers in your book only. And if you want that I should check your answers, do send me the images of your work and I'll get back to you with the correction. And if you're still facing any problem, you're not getting anything, do call me or do text me on my personal window. Till then, bye, stay happy, stay fit.